Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of LM Studio and Open WebUI. In order to do so, here we are at openwebui.com, and we're also at lmstudio.ai. According to Cider AI, when considering LM Studio and Open WebUI, it's important to understand the context in which each is used, as both serve different purposes in relation to machine learning and web applications. Here's a breakdown of each. LM Studio refers to a specialized environment for working with language models. Its key features include a user-friendly interface for developing and testing language models, often tailored for specific tasks like fine-tuning, tools for managing various models, including version control and deployment capabilities, built-in compatibility with proper ML frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch. It often includes features that allow collaboration among teams. OpenUI, on the other hand, typically refers to an open source web interface for interacting with AI models, especially in an interactive way. Features might include a web-based interface for users to easily query AI models without needing extensive coding knowledge, open source nature allowing developers to modify the interface to fit specific needs or workflows, accessible via web browsers promoting usability across different platforms and devices. It's open source. It may have a community of developers contributing to its improvement and offering support. In conclusion, LM Studio is mainly focused on model development and fine-tuning, while Open WebUI is intended for user interaction with models. LM Studio caters to developers and data scientists, whereas Open WebUI is aimed at end users who want to leverage ML models without technical expertise. LM Studio often provides more in-depth tools for model training, while OpenUI prioritizes ease of use and accessibility. In conclusion, choosing between LM Studio and Open WebUI largely depends on your goals. If you're focused on developing and fine-tuning models, LM Studio might be the better choice. On the other hand, if you want to create an easily accessible interface for users to interact with models, Open WebUI could be more suitable. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look in the description and you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find links to our X account. If you can follow us there, we'd appreciate it. We also have information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinars, and you can use discount codes Skillcraft60 to get 60% off your subscription to Sintra. You will also find links to Cider AI and EnzoBot. Click on those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.